Today I'm checking off the first idea on my prompt list, mushrooms. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm creating a prompt list series for over a 6-month period to stay consistent and organized on the channel. The first thing on the list is mushrooms, so that's what I'm painting today. Nothing complicated, just simple and chill. While I paint, let me tell you about the most frustrating thing that could ever happen to me and how it almost led me to turning this into a short series instead. Over the weekend, my computer crashed and I wasn't able to get into it. If you've ever encountered this blue screen on your computer, then you know what I mean. I was like, damn, why did this have to happen at this moment? I just told all of you that I'm starting this prompt list series and then this happened. I thought maybe I had to turn this into a short series instead because I have no way of getting into this computer. I have to upload my first video in a few days and possibly get a new computer. The editing of this video was not completed. I had only chopped the videos into clips that I wanted to use. There was no music, no voiceovers, no effects. Here's the good part of the story. I had saved and exported that portion of my work to my flash drive because I don't keep any of my work on my computer. I always store everything on my flash drive. If I haven't done that, I would have lost all my videos, all my pictures, all the way back to about 2011. Both personal and work-wise, all my digital art would have been gone. It's a good thing I have thought about taking them off my computer and putting them on my flash drive months ago. After watching a few YouTube tutorials, it's all fixed and I'm back on track. So thank God, because I had to wipe this computer clean and start all over. So take my advice, if you have anything on your computer that's important or of sentimental values, always have a backup, like putting them on a flash drive, because you never know what could happen. I'm happy this computer is fixed and I don't have to buy a new one. I want to share with you how I fell in love with drawing and painting mushrooms. It all started a while ago when I was on Pinterest looking up some forest reference. I noticed all these mushrooms. They were unique and magical in their own tiny world, in their own way. Each of them seemed like they had their own stories with patterns, colors, shapes, and textures. Just the way they blend with their surrounding and with a mixture of nature and fantasy. I was inspired and they just started inspiring my art. That's the reason why it's the first thing on my list. I want to dedicate a whole sketchbook to different types of mushrooms, maybe like study them a bit. I started a sketchbook some time ago, but then I started painting and drawing different things inside. I don't want to do that. I just want to have a special sketchbook that's just for mushrooms, and maybe that's something I could share with you guys on this channel. If that's something you would like to see, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's how I fell in love with drawing and painting mushrooms. They have become a huge part of my creative journey and they inspire me. Also, if you've ever been inspired by nature in your own art, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more creative and inspiring videos, and I'll see you in the next video.